Hello everyone. So our next question is A and B can do a piece of work in 24 days together. B and C can do the work in 30 days and C and A can do the piece of work in 40 days. How long would they all take to do the same work, and in what time can they do it separately? So we know that A plus B can do it in 24 days, B plus C can do it in 30 days, and C plus A can do it in 40 days. So here let A, B, C do X, Y, Z amount of work in 1 day respectively. Amount of work in 1 day respectively. 1 day respectively. So X plus Y is equal to 1 by 24. Why? Because A and B can do the piece of work in 24 days. Then Y plus Z, that is B plus C, can do it in 30 days. And X plus Z is equal to 1 by 40, that is C and A can together do it in 40 days. So adding all three we get, we get 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 40, which is equal to 1 upon 10. So they together can do it in 1 by 10 days. So here we can write working together they will complete the work in 20 days. So also A alone, now we need to find how much time A will take. So the work done by them together is 1 by 20, and work done by Y plus Z is 30, which is equal to 1 by 60. So which is 60 days. So A alone will take 16 days. Now B alone is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40, which is equal to 1 upon 40, which is equal to 40 days. And third one is C alone is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 upon 24 is equal to 1 by 120, which is equivalent to 120 days. So the solution is 60, 40 and 120 days will be required to do the work separately. This is the solution for the problem. Thank you.